Japanese discoveries, the role of electromagnetism in biology. A Zoran the Dragon adventure. Hello, young adventurers. It's Zoran the Dragon back again, ready to take you on another magical journey through the world of science and discovery. This time, we're going to explore something so tiny and mysterious. You might think I'm talking about a dragon-sized speck of dust, but I'm not. Today, we're going to dive into electromagnetism, a big, fancy word. But don't worry, I'll make it as fun as a dragon's dance party. Now, picture this. You're in Japan, don't worry. I'll make sure you don't get lost. And you're about to discover some of the coolest science about how electricity and magnetic fields can make living things work. Yes, you heard me right, our bodies are like little electrical systems, and Japanese scientists have been doing incredible research to figure out how everything connects. So buckle up, and let's soar into this electrifying adventure. The spark of discovery. Long ago, in the land of the rising sun, Japan, to be exact, there were brilliant scientists who were very curious. They asked, what if there's something more to electricity and magnetism than just lights turning on and fridges humming? They wondered if these forces could do something magical inside living creatures. Like, I don't know, maybe even help a dragon like me breathe fire. One fine day, in a cozy lab, a group of scientists put their heads together with their thinking caps on, of course, and said, let's explore how electromagnetism can help our bodies stay alive and healthy. They started to discover that just like the lights in your home flicker and blink with electricity, our bodies also use electricity to work properly just without any switches. It turns out that tiny electrical signals travel through your nerves, sending messages from your brain to your toes and everywhere in between. Talk about the ultimate delivery system. But hold on to your dragon wings, because they didn't stop there. These scientists also found out that our bodies are full of magnetic fields. They're like invisible force fields that protect and guide us. These fields come from the tiny electrical currents moving through our cells. I told you it's like magic. It's not just about sparks and lights. It's about how everything is connected and working together in this big, beautiful dance of life. Electric signals. The lightning inside you. Okay. Are you ready for a fun fact? The electricity inside you, and what makes everything from your heartbeat to your thoughts happen. Yes, even your thoughts. Can you imagine that? Every time you think about eating pizza, running, or breathing fire, my personal favorite, there's an electrical signal zipping through your nerves like a super fast dragon flying through a storm. In Japan, scientists studied how electromagnetic fields help animals, plants, and humans stay balanced and healthy. They discovered that these tiny, invisible fields actually help our bodies heal and repair themselves. Imagine being able to fix a dragon wing with the wave of an electric wand. Well, that's a little bit like what happens in your body. But the coolest part, they found out that magnetic fields can help cells grow and talk to each other. Just like how we dragons communicate with a roar or a growl. When scientists exposed cells to magnetic fields, they noticed that the cells started to wake up and do their jobs better. It was like giving them a tiny electric hug that made them feel alive and powerful. Zoran's magnificent magnetic field. Now, I know you're probably wondering, Zoran, what does this have to do with me? Well, hold on to your scales, because I'm about to tell you. Our bodies are full of electromagnetic energy, yes, even you, little adventurer. Just like the Earth has a magnetic field, yes, the one that makes compasses work, your body does too. It's like your own little personal magnetic shield, buzzing and zipping around to keep you healthy. I imagine my own dragon body as being surrounded by a powerful magnetic field. It keeps me strong when I fly through thunderstorms, and it helps me heal when I get a little singed from flying too close to a volcano. So, the next time you run around or dance like a dragon, just remember your body has a magical electric and magnetic power that helps you do all the fun stuff in life. The Japanese discovery that changed everything. Let's go back to those amazing scientists in Japan. They did something even cooler. They realized that our bodies don't just use electricity. They can also be affected by the electric fields around us. They found out that things like light and sound could change the way our cells behave. It was like discovering a new set of dragon wings, one that could carry us anywhere. These scientists even began to study how our bodies react to things like blue light from screens or electric fields from our phones. They learned that too much of the wrong kind of electricity can mess with our circadian rhythms, fancy word for your sleep patterns. Yikes, I don't know about you, but I definitely want my sleep to be as peaceful as a dragon's nap after a long flight. But don't worry, scientists in Japan also discovered ways to protect ourselves from these disruptions. By understanding the balance between electromagnetism and biology, we can help our bodies stay strong and healthy. It's like learning to control the magical powers of a dragon. If you know how to use them properly, you can do amazing things. Zoran's electric adventure. One day, while I was out flying over the mountains, I stumbled upon an ancient tree. This tree had lived for hundreds of years, and it was bursting with energy. I could feel the electric hum of life radiating from it. I touched my dragon claws to its bark, and suddenly, I felt a strange sensation like a little spark of energy running through me. Wow, I thought. This tree knows how to harness the power of electromagnetism. I asked the tree how it stayed so full of energy, and it told me, it's all about balance, young dragon. The electric energy in your world is like the music of life. When you're in tune with it, everything sings harmoniously. And that's when I realized, just like the scientists in Japan discovered, life and electromagnetism go hand in hand. It's about balance, harmony, and knowing how to make the right choices for your health. The power of balance. Now, little adventurer, you know all about electromagnetism and how it keeps everything inside you humming and buzzing with life. So, remember, just like those amazing Japanese scientists, you can take care of your body's electric energy by staying balanced, eating well, and taking care of your sleep. And here's a little dragon tip. Try to stay away from too much screen time, especially before bed. That way, your body can recharge its electric energy for another fun day of adventures. Zoran the Dragon, signing off. With a flap of my wings and a wave of my tail, I'll leave you with this. The world is full of magical connections, and electromagnetism is one of the most exciting. Keep your body full of energy, stay balanced, and maybe, just maybe, one day, you'll discover your own electric magic.